If you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, priced in the high 300s, well, today we're here at Magnolia Crest and we are going to be touring the Plan 1550, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go for all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome everyone to Magnolia Crest, DR Horton's newest community here in North Las Vegas. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, the nearest cross streets is going to be Ann and North 5th Street. So we're about 15 miles away from the Las Vegas Strip, about 25 to 30 minutes drive, okay? So, you know, the airport's also next to the Strip too, so it's not that much further to get there. But yeah, today we are going to be touring Magnolia Crest. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans ranging from 1,350 square feet all the way up to 1,550 square feet, with the base prices ranging from $360,000 all the way up to $380,000. Now, guys, this is DR Horton. They make spec homes, okay? So when we tour these model homes, what you see is what you get, except for the furniture, the curtains, and the accent walls, okay? So the appliances will all be included: refrigerator, washer, dryer, blinds, and that's going to be included in that price that you see. No added upgrades, no added lot premiums, okay? Now, a couple things about the community, you guys. The HOA is going to be $56 a month. That's pretty good too, especially that it is, as you can see, it is a gated neighborhood, okay? So the average lot square feet is going to be about 3,500. There's going to be about 95 homes here. Yeah, see, as soon as you enter the neighborhood, you have this nice park. But yeah, that's all the information, you guys. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Plan 1550. Now, this is going to be a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story, 2-car garage, and this is going to be starting at $380,000. Now, when I say 380, that is out the door, guys, with all the options included, okay? I have to mention about DR Horton, they are a spec builder. So as soon as you get into contract with the DR Horton house, the house is going to be ready within 45 to 60 days, okay? So if you're looking for like a new construction home and you want to move a lot, you know, quicker than traditional building from lot ups, DR Horton's the way to go. You'll have this video doorbell that is included, okay? This is a 6x7 door. Okay, you also get this programmable key lock pad entry. Okay, so welcome in. Now again, guys, this is going to be the 1,550 square feet. So this is the largest floor plan in this specific Magnolia Crest community. So you'll have the stairs that go to the 2nd floor right there. Okay, now this is probably going to be the powder room. Okay, so you got your nice 2-panel door, powder room, pedestal sink, toilet. Okay. All right, so welcome in. So you have your living room, dining room area, kitchen. Okay, it's a nice open floor plan. Again, what's not included, I know DR Horton model houses, they're very colorful inside. Like they got the blue accent walls, the orange curtains. That's not included, but you will have blinds in all the windows. So it's going to be the 2-inch white Foxwood blinds. And then you're going to get like this quartz countertop. So what you see here, everything is included. Normally what they like to do is they like to rotate between quartz. So they're either using the white quartz or the gray quartz. As far as the cabinets go, they're either using the white cabinets or these gray cabinets. Okay. So right here, you'll have your dining room. Okay, it looks like this refrigerator is actually supposed to be over here, but they're just doing some painting, okay? So the fridge isn't normally right here. All right, so you have your pantry. Okay. You're gonna have your door to your garage, which are probably gonna be locked. The garages are always locked in model homes. Okay, so this is going to be your shoe closet storage space. Now also, you're gonna get like these 2-panel doors, right? So everything that you see about like the doorknobs to as far as the doors go, that is all included. The round corner edging, okay? So you'll have your paint color will be white. It'll be semi-gloss finish in the wet areas, and then you'll have flat paint all throughout the house. All right, so welcome to the backyard. Okay, again, so all the lot sizes are going to be about 3,500 square footage. So because these homes are about like 13 to 1550 square feet, you're definitely going to have some space in the backyard. Okay, this is what you see from the back. Now, when you move into your house, the front landscaping is going to be included. As far as the backyard, it's just going to be a dirt lot. You will have this paver right here, but that's going to be it. Everything else is going to be dirt. With most HOAs, you have about a year to do your backyard before they start like fining you. Okay. So the thing about Las Vegas, maintenance is pretty simple, pretty easy. Most people just do a combination of turf, pavers, rocks, and you're pretty much good to go. All right, so let's head upstairs. You have the nice high ceilings up here. But yeah, you're gonna get like 8-foot ceilings when you're on the second floor and the first floor. Okay, so right here, as soon as you go up, you'll have your primary bedroom, and then you'll have the laundry room. And then over here, you're gonna have your guest bedrooms. So let's take a look. So you're gonna have all 3 of them right over here. I'm guessing this is gonna be the primary bath. Okay, yep. So you'll get the primary bath with a drop-in sink, a gray cabinet, and then you'll get your fiberglass shower tub, okay? This room feels like about probably like a 10 by 11 right here. Something that's nice as well in the model house, you'll see this, you'll have this like light right here in the rooms. You can switch that out for and put a ceiling fan with a light. Now guys, if you are interested in a new build community, or if you're looking to buy a new build home, guys, give me a call before you get to the new build community. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're already working with a realtor, at least let them know that you're interested in new build community. Make sure they come with you on your very first visit. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to just show up to a new build community on your own, because if you give them your name, your phone number, and your email, they'll go ahead and register you in their system with no realtor. That means they won't let you be represented down the road. Now, the new build agents, they look after the builder's best interest, not yours, okay? So as realtors, what we do is we look after your best interest. We negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. We make sure you get all the max builder incentives. So definitely get you some agent representation. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to help you out. Okay, so this is the other guest bedroom. This room is going to be about a 10 by 10 right here. Okay. And then right over here, you're also going to have like a 10 by 10 room. Okay, with that one window right there. Got your standard closet. All right, let's check out the primary bedroom. I guess the laundry room as well. So we got the washer and dryer. Okay, nice thing about DR Horton, that is included. Okay, so you even have this shelf right here. Okay, now we are in the primary bedroom. So let's take a look. Oh, this is pretty spacious, guys. This is gonna be a king size bed. Okay, I thought because, you know, you have like the way it's built out, this bathroom here, I thought it was primary bedroom was gonna be pretty small, but no, it's pretty good size. You have room on the sides. This is a king size bed. Okay, this is also the primary bath. So you got the quartz countertop, drop-in sink, walk-in shower. Now this is going to overlook the front of the house. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys have any questions at all, again, my info is going to be in the description below. Till then, I will catch you guys next video.